Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is As Graphics. In this video I will be teaching you how to create an audio spectrum using your mobile phone. In case you don't know what mobile spectrum is, something like this. Without any further ado, let's go straight to the tutorial. Okay, now the first thing I'll be doing is I'll quickly go to Pixel Lab to create a yellow, just like a transparent circular image. Let me just break this. Let's get rid of this. We don't want this, so we'll just bring in a circle. Just make sure it's circle. You can increase the size or whatever, and so just come here and click on transparent. So still click on the image, the shape. You can just bring in any image of your choice. Come to texture, any of your image. So I'll use this lady's own instead. Okay, so I'll just use this, and you can just come to save image. Make sure it is on PNG, then just come to save to gallery. So then definitely it's going to load, and it's going to be in a circular form. So this is the app. Check sound. So the first thing you actually need YouTube Music for this app, YouTube Music. Another thing you also need is this MP3 recorder, because it just helps you. If you're recording on your phone, it will be in MP3 format, then you don't need MP3 recorder. But once you're recording on your phone, it's not in MP3 format, I advise you get this MP3 recorder and YouTube Music, writing music from the Play Store. Alright, so the first thing I'll be doing is I'll just come here, solid. See, my background is white. Then I'll click on plus, then I'll add my image. Alright, so this is the image, the one I asked you to create. So just leave it there. Then I'll just come in, load music. So you can see complete action using YouTube Music. Won't give you an option you like. Just go ahead and play music on your phone. It won't select anything. So now go straight to the MP3, the one you recorded. So this is the one I recorded myself.
Hello guys, and welcome back.
Okay. So analyzing is complete, so you just come here and click on. You can also edit the image here, but I'm good. I'll just click on close. Okay, so the next thing I'll be doing is I'll be adding my spectrum. So you can see the spectrum, and you will not look the picture we inserted. You notice there's a kind of a line there. So
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is As Graphics.
Okay, so the next thing I just want to change the color to this color that is kind of obvious. Okay, so the next thing is, now there are times this A and B setting is just that A is that when you are playing it, the spectrum will be seen on top of that line, while B means it will be seen below. But for this one, I'm just going to keep it at AB. So I don't want bar, I want it to be circle. You're not seeing the circle because inside that shape, when I increase the radius, okay, now it's obvious. I can increase the height. So the thickness, I'll set it at 4. So now let's play.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is As Graphics. In this video, I will be teaching you how to create an audio spectrum
just leave it
using your mobile phone. In case you don't know what mobile spectrum is, something like.
So it's okay like this. You don't want to be it in points, just leave it in lines. Okay. I mistakenly change the color. Let me just see spoken. Alright, so you can come to close. Then just when you're done, once you're done, just click on export. So when it exports, it's going to be in form of a video. It's going to be in form of a video. So you can just, when I'll be editing this video now, just add it to it. So once it's done, it's going to export, and the exporting is going to be in a particular folder. Now my chicken sound has been crashing lately, so it's going to create a folder for you. Let me just sort by A to Z. Mine has been crashing lately. Well, once it's done exporting, it's going to be in a folder, exporting field.
You can now check it. Just come to my file manager. So look at it. Or if you can, yours is not bringing this, just come to all files, internal storage, try to locate movies folder. I told you it's now a video, so check the sound and you can now play it.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is graphics. In this video,
I'll be teaching
you how to create an audio spectrum using your mobile phone. If you don't know what a spectrum is, something like this.
Alright, so that's all for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.